What is up, guys? Back in another video, and today we are gonna be doing a review on this brand new mini hoop I just got today. I ordered two. The second one, I think I already posted it. I might post this one first. Yeah, I might post this one first, or that one second, something like that. Anyways, today we are gonna be reviewing drumroll the Jester mini hoop. Oh, this mini hoop is so cool. But yeah, let's go right into it. There is 3 game modes. The first one counts your shots. The second one has like a countdown and stuff. It's like the 24 countdown, like seconds, 24 seconds. And then the other one has a timer too, but you have to make 24 shots in less than 24 seconds. So yeah, I don't know if y'all heard that, but yeah. Let's do shots. Yeah, let's do shots. Hold up. Hold up. I'm shooting it so that. There we go. Bro, I'm literally the wrong guy. Anyways, the shooting, even though I didn't make any, that was literally just me, cause that's. Anyways, the shooting, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. This is the layups. Off the backboard. Hold up. I made it with a drum instead. Oh. Anyways. Yeah. The layups, 9. The dunks, though. Hold up. Off the backboard. Off the backboard, one hand. Go. Dunking, 9.5. Let's do like a little trick shot. Come on. Let's go. Nothing but net. Anyways, oh yeah, That trick shot was 10 out of 10. We can dribble. I'm not that good at dribbling mini basketballs. That was good. Anyways, this hoop, I spent $50 on it. The ball, it's like a little small ball. It's like the size of my hand, basically. Kind of. Anyways, the color is cool. I think it's cool. It lights up when you make a shot, which is really cool. But it's not on right now, so it won't light up. It won't light up. But I would recommend this hoop. It's really fun. I don't know what else to say. God bless y'all. Have a great day. Keep God first. Bye.